it's Amanda's Snail Art. I'm sorry that I look a little rough because I was crying. I just heard news that my great uncle had died, and I know, why am I recording a video, but I gotta get this done because I've been kind of waiting to do it for a long time. So I'm going to do another tutorial with the ABH Norvina Volume 3 palette. And then I actually just bought this. I'm going to do a haul for Black Friday. And, well, sort of Black Friday anyways. So I got the Moonchild palette from Anastasia as well. And I picked up the Norvina Volume 1 palette too. So there will be a look coming with this, and then I'm going to try that out today, and then I have another surprise for you, so you guys have to stay tuned. Alright, I'm going to gather all my things and do my base and everything, so I will be right back. Alright, so for my bronzer today, I'm going to be taking the Butter Bronzer from Physicians Formula. It's in the shade Sunkissed Bronzer. And I'm just going to take that on this brush. It's the ABH Cosmetics No. 2 brush in the Festival Brush Set. Festival Brush Set. Oh my gosh. Okay. So, I'm going to put that on. You already know what I put for my base, so I'm going to take my blending brush from the ABH Cosmetics Rose Quartz Set. It's No. 4, and I'm just going to blend any harsh lines and smooth out the edges. Alright, and then I'm going to take the Butter Bronzer once again, and I'm going to put that on my chin because I can remember. Gotta get that glow. Sorry, you probably can't see me when I do that. I do have my contacts in today, so that should be fun and fresh. Sometimes I don't wear my contacts and then I really can't see what I'm doing with my makeup. And then when I wear contacts, it's really hard for eyeliner sometimes. Okay, and I'm just gonna blend that out as well. Alright, and then next I'm gonna take my sugar. It's called Mini Blush. It's in Peach Peak. And this is from my June Ipsy bag. That was the first time that I've ever received an Ipsy bag. So I'm actually going to take my blush brush today. This is a ABH Cosmetics No. 2. And going to put that on. It looks pretty good. Okay, I'm just gonna put more on. Might have gone a little overboard with the blush, but it's okay. So then I'm gonna, So then I'm gonna take the ABH Cosmetics No. 4 brush, and I'm just going to blend everything out. Oh, I'm going to take that. Oh wait, oh my gosh, wait, I can't use this because I was going to use my Moonchild one. Okay. See? At least I catch myself. Now, since I'm going to be doing a green look today, I'm going to use Lucky Clover right here. And so, I will use this in my next video. She will be used, don't worry. Okay. So I'm going to take Lucky, actually, do I have a little highlighter brush? No, I wonder what this will do. No. Well, no. Actually, I should try it. Okay. I'm going to take a little of the product. I don't know if this is going to work very well. I think that might be for, like, the eyes. Oops. You live and you learn. Oh my god, come on. Stop taking over. I got too many brushes in here. Alright, so we're gonna take that ABH Cosmetics number 3 brush in the rose quartz set, and I'm just going to put that on. Dang, I should have. Oh my gosh. Okay. I may have gone a little too far. But it's okay. Alright, so then that was in the shade Lucky Clover in the Moonchild palette, and then I'm going to, come on. Oh my gosh. Okay, there we go. Perfect. And then I'm going to prime my eyes, so I primed one eye. Alright, so I'm gonna play around with some of the greens in the palette today. Oops, let me put this back in the container. Alright. I may have gone a little too overboard with the highlight, but you know, it's okay. So, here's what this beautiful palette looks like. I don't know why it's so pink on mine. It's definitely not pink. Okay. So, what I'm gonna do is take a one right here on this round crease brush. This is a number 9 for the BH Cosmetics Festival set. And so I'm going to take that on this brush, because this is the brush I use when I do greens. So, oops. So, I'm going to take that up in my crease here. I think I'm going to do a halo eye. So I'm just setting a crease color down for now. I don't really know what I'm doing, but it's okay. Alright, so then I'm gonna make that really vibrant. It's kind of coming out more as yellow to me. I might be a little colorblind, but yeah. So then I think what I'm gonna do, see, I think I'm gonna use A4 and put that in the crease as well, and then I think I'm gonna take D3 right here and use that on my actual lid for the halo eye. And then what I'm gonna either do is take the shade, oh my god, C5 or maybe even B1 over here. I think they're both really pretty. So let me put that bright green A4 shade, so right there on the top row, and add that to this kind of acid green up here. I really like green and I like to play with colors, so this is a fun day today. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use this Betty Boot blending brush, and then I'm gonna take my Anastasia, first of all I'm gonna wipe it off, A16 brush, and I'm going to go in with D3 down here, right there. It's like a bit of a darker lime green, so I'm gonna be real up close with you guys. Actually, yeah, we're gonna try it on this brush first. Alright, wow, that's really pretty. Alright, wow. Okay, and then I'll blend them kind of together. And then what I'll probably end up doing is like connecting the screen color at the top. So I'm oh my gosh. So I'm leaving that lid space open for our glitter shade here. Alright, and then I'm gonna blend these up here. Oh yeah, if you wonder why I blink a lot when I wear my contacts in my video, it's because my eyes get really dry and sometimes it gets blurry. So I kind of need to like refocus it to see what the heck I'm doing. So yeah. Okay, I think that is as blended as can be. Oh my god, sorry. Ow. So I'm going to take B1, this pretty blue glitter shade right there, and then I'm just going to, well, we can try it on a brush. We can do that. Let me find, here we are. Alright, let me spray this. And then if it's not gonna work out, I can use my fingers too. Oh wow, it's so pretty. So I'm gonna put that. Ooh. Okay. Why do I feel like I'm so far away? I think we're looking good. Hold on. Alright, and then let me connect up top with this little brush right here. It's an Eco Tools brush. Hold on, let me find it, I think. No, that is not it. Oh, I totally forgot to do my brows. It's okay, we can do those because it's not going to interrupt anything. So, I'm going to take that D3 shade right there and connect at the top. So, kind of goes together. And then what I'm going to do is go back and take A1 and A4, so that acid green yellow shade and that lime green shade. I'm just going to go back in and kind of blend everything out up here with that, and then I think I'm going to just do this, to be honest, just to get some more intensity. There we go. I think that looks good, and then let me just blend this out. And then for my inner corner, because I'm so extra today, I'm going to be taking my Moonchild palette and going in with Lucky Clover. So, see, I wanted this forever, so I'm kind of glad I can like actually afford it. May have gone a little too much, but that's okay. We're kind of extra today. Kind of a mess, but it's okay. I mean, I think it looks good. So, I'm gonna do my other eye and all my eyeliner off camera and I'll be... Hey, so I'm back. I know, this eye is kind of wonky today. They're different shapes, but it's fine. So, that is my finished look. So I only put mascara on my top lashes, and then that was the Benefit They're Real mascara. And I use my Stila pencil liner, or not pencil liner. It's like Stay All Day something, and it's a felt tip. I don't know why I said pencil. And then I'm going to use my Revlon Ultra Matte Lip Color. This is a metallic one, so I'm going to put that on. And then that will dry matte. And so, this is the finished look today. Besides my eyeliner, it is not bad. Alright. This one's like cat eye shaped, and this one is a baby wing. So yeah, that is it for today. Trying to find good lighting, but there is none because my room is dark. Alright, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more makeup looks like this. Alright, bye-bye!